So today we're going to talk to you about the Instalert 6-panel drug test. This is a Instalert branded urine drug testing kit made by Innovacon. Instalert is a brand which is sold throughout the UK. This particular combination has 6 drugs, common drugs of abuse on there. It's cocaine, amphetamine or speed, cannabis, methadone, opiates and benzodiazepines. So it covers quite a range of common drugs that are abused as street drugs, and this is a very easy screen to perform. You'll get individual results for 6 of those drugs. So if we take the panel out of its foil, what you get is a panel test with 6 strips for those 6 drugs listed on the foil, with a window that shows the results, C where the control lines form and T where the test line forms. So to perform the test you simply remove the cover, and you have 6 prongs coming out the bottom of the panel with wavy lines showing that this is where the urine is applied, and a maximum dip level indicated by the red arrow on the bottom of the plastic. So to perform the test, very simply collect your urine sample and place your panel to just below the maximum dip line for between 5 and 10 seconds to allow sufficient urine sample to be absorbed onto all 6 of those membranes. And then when that's happened, you'll start to see the pink dye travelling up the window where the test and control lines form. At that stage you can remove the test from the sample, place it back in its cover and just lay it on a flat surface. And takes about 5 minutes for the tests to start showing, and at that stage what you can clearly see here is your lines forming in the windows where the control lines are forming and the test lines are forming. Now, for all negative test results where the test lines form incredibly quickly, you can interpret that without having to wait the full 10 minutes. What you will notice on these multi-panels is that there is quite a bit of variation between the different test lines in terms of their colour density, their thickness and how quickly they develop. If we have a look at this membrane here, you'll see that the test line is not forming. That would indicate a positive indicator on that particular drug parameter. But before you can interpret that as a positive result, you have to wait for the full 10 minutes from when the urine has been added to the test membranes, and you're looking for the presence of absence of any test line in the presence of a control line. Even if it's very thin and very faint, you must still interpret that as a negative result. So that's the Instalert 6 drug panel test kit, sold in packs of 25 test panels. And each one, as we've gone through, will give you individual results for each of those 6 drug groups, and these panels come with a variety of different drug combinations packed onto those membranes, so you can usually find a panel that just has the drug groups that you're interested in testing for.